Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the Ford Edge front emblem. Start by gathering a plastic pry tool, microfiber cloth, and adhesive remover. Work in shaded area to avoid adhesive curing too fast. Clean the surface thoroughly before installing the new emblem to ensure strong bonding. Keep small parts organized and take photos for alignment reference. Take your time and double-check the emblem position before final press. Use steady, even heat around the emblem to loosen adhesive without frying paint. Slip a plastic pry tool under the emblem lip and work around the perimeter slowly to avoid bending clips. Clean all residue with adhesive remover and a microfiber cloth, avoiding harsh scrubbing. Inspect the mounting surface for broken clips or rust and replace any damaged hardware before fitting the new emblem. Keep the area clean and dry for best adhesion. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying the garage easy, and it even sucks up stubborn pet hair after a messy emblem swap. It's a fun little helper for any dye-yer, and it saves sweeping time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Center the new emblem using reference marks or photos taken earlier, and check that clips align with mounting holes. Peel the adhesive backing and press the emblem into place with steady pressure, holding for 30 seconds or more to ensure good contact. If clips are present, press until they click, then verify even seating and gaps. Wipe around the emblem to remove fingerprints and let adhesive cure for recommended time before washing the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.